Hey guys, welcome back. So guess what? I got another diamond painting. This one is from Inloveartshop, and I was already going to review another one, but they sent me a message, so I said sure, why not. So this is another one I'm going to be working on. Let's open this one up and see how this one looks. Okay, so this one looks already like it might be smaller. Okay, which is fine. Oh my god, okay. Okay. All right, so it's definitely smaller. This one that's the size right there. And looks nice, looks really cute. This one is also butterflies, and looking at it, it still has like the letters for each little diamond, and that's what the colors that you need to add. Okay, so this one comes also with the tray and this little pokey tool, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of this, but we'll see. We got extra little bags, and then this is the way they package the beads, nice and secure. Okay, so here we go. We got all the colors, everything is by numbers. And I also got the round ones. They have round and they have square in diamond painting. I just heard that the round are easier to work with. So that's what this one looks like. Super cute. So now I have 2 diamond paintings that I'll be working on. This one, since it's smaller, I feel like I'm going to finish this one sooner. So this is all the goodies that comes with Inloveartshop. Okay, I'm going to put their links in the description bar. But there's a surprise. They asked me if I wanted to review it, and I said yes. And because I was already going to review another diamond painting, I asked them if they could send me 2, because I wanted to give one to you guys. So here is the second one. So I received 2 diamond paintings, which is the same one. It's just a whole bunch of butterflies, which is beautiful. And I want to give this one away to one of my subscribers. So all you have to do is follow along. Like this video, comment below, and again, this is the unboxing. I'm going to do a process video just so you can see where I'm up to, and then a reveal video. So I'll be doing 3 videos on this diamond painting. And in order for you to win this one, you have to comment on all 3 videos, like all 3 videos. I'm also going to put their link, their YouTube channel, in the description bar, so follow them too. Tell them I sent you. And that's it. So this is going to be a quick one, and I hope you guys like it. Follow along if you guys want to win one. I'm telling you, I started one yesterday, and they are very relaxing. So I am enjoying it. But I will keep you posted. Remember, follow along if you want to win one. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.